Yeah, man. So I'm sitting here eating. Yeah. I see a lot of bad bitches. Yeah. I look like a dickhead. Yeah. But like I was saying, I see a lot of bad bitches. I see a nigga walking. Fat man. Look at fat man. Fat man. I don't know if y'all can see him. I don't know if y'all can see him. He have no, his shoes could even tie. Fat man. Yo, boy.
Yo, some savage nigga.
My nigga, I rather get money. Nigga over there in the corner. Look at those hills. Ooh. You got, ooh, bully fat. Yeah, shit. Uh-oh. Look at him. Look at him. About to devour. That shit like a little ass dumpling. Boy, look at all the scraps you got left in your plate, boy. You got jalapenos, boy. Look at my drink. Look at my drink.
It's nothing.
My drink
man.
good.
It's nothing, man.
Boy, a jalapeno there too, boy.
nothing,
Boy. You got breadcrumbs in your afro, man. Yo, that drink is like sinking down. What is that? Excuse me. Yeah, man. I gotta let y'all non-musicians know. Y'all ain't paying? Shit, I ain't playing, man.
Dead ass.
It's dead ass. I got food I gotta put on the table and shit. Y'all playing around?
This nigga eating for free right now.
Niggas just eating. Niggas is eating for free. Nigga had to help me out. It's real pitiful. So if y'all ain't paying, I ain't playing. That don't come to me with no free programs. I need you to no, I don't care. I really don't. I really don't care. I'm not doing it. That ass. Trust and believe. God told me not to do it. For real. Yeah, they are working it.
I'm saying that was like a big portion.
Yeah, so like I was saying, I'm off this. There's pretty ladies around, man.